Divisibility by 1. Rule. All numbers are divisible by 1. As we explained in the previous tutorial, when a number is divided by 1, the result is the number itself. For example, 18 divided by 1 is equal to 18, with a remainder of 0. 25 divided by 1 is equal to 25, with a remainder of 0, etc. This rule does not have any useful practical application, we explained it purely for theory. That is all for lesson 1.6.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.6.2, Divisibility by 2. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.